Okay, we are gonna make heart-shaped cherry tomatoes. Super easy. Take a cherry tomato, cut the stem off at an angle, then lay the cut side down flat and cut the tomato in half. Then you'll take it apart, piece it together, and ta-da! Super cute and so easy. Okay, now we're gonna make the cutest little arrow capreses with the hearts tomatoes in the middle. So first you'll take a mini mozzarella ball, slice it in half. You'll put one half on the skewer or little toothpick first. You'll take a leaf of basil and fold it in thirds. You'll insert that onto the stick. Then comes the fun part. You're going to insert one of the heart tomatoes. So you're going to stick that right through there. So it goes right on there. Then another basil. And the other half of the mozzarella ball. And how cute is that?